Good day, guys and gals. How's it going? Ice Hat FPV here, back with another flight. And yeah, out here today in this huge empty parking lot. Let my kids go around on a bike a bit, and we're gonna test out this new quad. Well, a new quad from Old Parts. Sleeping Bear was kind enough to send me this frame, which is a Diatone frame, standard edition. And I put a DYS Mini F4 flight controller, 4-in-1 ESC, Emax motors. The Foxeer antenna is also from Sleeping Bear, and the VTX, which is a TBS VTX with XM Plus in there, and yeah, I think that's it. So basically, and this will take this opportunity as well to try out a challenge from Kev FPV. I'm sure most of you guys might know who Kev FPV is. If not, I'll put a link to his channel in the description down below. But yeah, he mentioned about try to fly the quad without doing any tricks. So I think his hashtag was no funny stuff or no funny something like that. So yeah, we're gonna try to fly around here and just try not to trick out. It's gonna be hard, but yeah, and get a chance to test this quad at the same time and hopefully not crash into the asphalt or land up in those trees like last time. I shouldn't have said that. I jinxed myself. Like all right, here goes. Enjoy.